Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP ka Lok Sabha ubami khmat ya ka Shillong constituency u Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon ula Pyntip hapo ka yeng dorbar parliament jongkari India bahdu menta ki don ki kenhun kabalatip kum ki high level ki lapen khen ya ka jingkhang ti bat shalan yo Dewïong da ka NGT hapo ka jela Meghalaya usnem 8000 khatsaw kani ka jing Pyntip u Dr. Ricky kadai haba u shim menta ha ka 0 hour ka badang yat ka dorbar mangtingka kabala long menta si u Dr. Ricky ulayathu bawat laki high level kilapen Kenya ka jingkhang ti Dewïong da ka NGT Hindre wat ka sorkar jelaru kamshim lala mante la kam ya ka jing Pyniaid bian ya u Dewïong
माननीय रिकी एंड्रयू सिंगकॉन
Thank you, Madam Chairperson, for allowing me to speak. Madam, the future, whether good or bad, depends on our action today. On this note, I would like to, through you, Madam Speaker, to remind that in 2014, NGT had imposed a ban on mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya. However, it is very unfortunate that till today there are a group of people known in our state as high level who have continuously and blatantly violated this ban, and even the government machinery which is supposed to ensure the enforcement of this ban have failed miserably to enforce this ban. And the leading newspaper of Meghalaya, Shillong Times, dated 26/3/2025, reported that more than 1.92 lakh metric tons of illegal coal have been detected